What's up, YouTube? TR's Restoration here, coming to you live from the deck because my back hurts and my legs are sore. Floof. And we're gonna get cracking on it today, though. Just kind of want to show you where we're at again. Toot toot. We're gonna get that board down today. We're gonna make that one. I've already got my angles figured out, so that's cool. Put that one on. Get some of that truss tape on there. My goal is to get to the end. We'll see how we do. Canines, bro. Oh, nice. What's up, YouTube? TR's Restoration, back at it again. I just want to show you where we're at for the day. Made some pretty good progress. Happy with today's results. It's actually starting to look like a deck. So, turn this around here. Got the frame going. Haven't screwed it in yet, but it's there. So we've all seen this part before. And then I've worked on now. Got the back of the house finished up. So now I've even got it cut. Working on the frame. But yeah, starting to look like a deck again. So happy with that. Wife's got me running to go do some errands with her right now. So it's probably as far as I'm gonna get. So unless I come back tonight and do some work, it's probably going to be it for day 4. All right. Later. What's up, YouTube? TR's Restoration here. Back again for the end of day 4. Made some significant progress today. I'm happy with where we're at. Didn't quite get as far as I wanted to on the picture frame. I need to order the fasteners, the hidden fasteners. Need to get those coming. It's important. But overall, you know, we got this path done, and you can see I'm ready for the picture frame. I'm ready to do it. I'm just not quite there yet. So, pretty happy with where we landed, though. Still got a whole bunch of work to do down there, though. So, keep at it. Chip away at it over the next week or so. We're supposed to have some good dry days, so. Molly, out of the frame, bro. Canines. Oh, gnar. All right, well, that's it from me. So stay tuned, smash that like and subscribe button. Appreciate all the 9 views that I get from my family, or me watching it 9 times, not sure, probably that. All right, later.